How to make the dream effect. Today's video is sponsored by the Lucifer. Open your clip in the Fusion page and add a merge node. Bring a prism blur node in empty space, connect your clip to this and drag it to the left viewer. Increase the blur strength, the aberration distance, and the aberration strength slider to your liking. Add a glow node after. Bring down the shine threshold to your liking, right-click to the gain slider, and select to modify it with shake. Go to the Modifiers tab and bring down the smoothness slider to your liking. Connect the glow node to the merge as a foreground. Select the merge node, and change the edges to mirror. Set the apply mode to screen, right-click to the center value and select to modify it with shake. Go to the Modifiers tab, set the smoothness slider to 40, change the minimum to 0.45, and the maximum to 0.55. Add another prism blur after the merge. Adjust the sliders to your liking, and increase the vignette size slider. Add an ellipse mask to this prism blur, adjust the size and the position of the mask, check the invert box, and increase the soft edge slider. If you like this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, why did you stay till the end?